Okay, so I'm all done counting and the grand total is... Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa. If you are new, if you are already part of the family, then welcome back. In today's video, I will be doing a lock count. Since I have started my lock journey, I have gotten the question,
how many locks do you have? How many locks do you have? How many locks do you have?
Over and over and over again. So I actually did a lock count a couple of months ago and I posted the results on my Instagram, but I'm not really sure if that was an accurate count. So I decided to make another video and count my locks and take my time to be sure that I had the right number, because I'm still getting the question. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and take my locks down. You probably hear Kayla in the background. Yes, with her purse. Hey Kayla. She is my assistant. Come say hi. Come say hi. Okay, she's getting her phone. So, this is what my hair is looking like.
Hi!
Okay. Oh, also, before you continue watching this video, I want you to post your guess down below as to how many locks you think that I have. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start counting.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day.
Okay, so I have one more section to count. I just had to show y'all. Kayla, she saw that I was recording and she said she wanted to record her own video, so she set her little phone up beside mine and it's adorable. So Kayla is vlogging and her phone is right there. You making a video too?
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Okay. All right, guys. So this is my last section. I've been writing down the numbers, the count that I get for each section, because I would definitely lose track. All right, guys. I'm all done counting. So one last time, get your guess in of how many locks you think I have. Final guess. All right. Okay, so I'm all done counting and the grand total is 98 locks. I counted 98. So when I originally counted a few months ago, I got 96. Like I said, I did split one of my locks, so I guess that's about right. So I guess I have 98 locks. It's possible that I could have miscounted again, but I think that was right. I took my time and I recounted a lot of the sections over to be sure, and then I just wrote down the number that I counted for each section and calculated. So that's excuse me. So that's the number I came up with. But yeah, I have 98 locks. So if you didn't know, now you know, or if you wanted to know, now you know. And that's all for today's video, you guys. I just wanted to do an official lock count on camera for you all, and that is it for today. Thank you so much for returning back to my channel. I appreciate all of the support. If you could please subscribe down below and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground.